Well, certainly South Australia is one of the most affordable places to live in Australia, and we want to maintain that here in South Australia. We want to give young people the opportunity to buy their first home. We want families to be able to get into the housing market as well. So our planning strategy for 30 years is in place. The next step is to have a housing strategy for the next 30 years. So we've released a green paper. We want to engage with the community, we want to engage with the building industry, and we want to engage with local government.
Oh look, I feel genuinely excited about this. I think we have a fantastic housing history here. We were the first authority to get going in 1936 before the other states came on board in 1945. We've got a very proud history, and I really felt this is part of history remaking itself, recreating a housing strategy that positions South Australia in all its advantages.
The Green Paper is a really positive thing, and I think that that's the key to the success of affordable housing. You've got to look at it as an opportunity, not a burden in terms of having to deliver affordable housing.
It's nice actually to be involved in a strategy moving forward, and it seems like such a long time since we had our last housing strategy as well. So look, there's lots of challenges. We all know there's lots of challenges ahead.
Most of the Green Paper has to stay at a fairly general level, so I haven't seen anything that I would radically disagree with. But I think this consultation period is one to work out a lot more of the detail, and of course the devil's always in the detail.
So we need to have a great conversation here, and at the state level the Minister has started off in that regard. I think at local government level it needs to be like that too. But I think we also need to find ways in which we can engage the community. The media perhaps have a role to play, and I think that other community leaders can perhaps be brought into bear into this area.
So working together, we think we can create the future with these partners that find the sort of solutions that we all are looking for.
It's about us looking at different sorts of housing options. It's not about decimating heritage areas. It's about making sure that we have strong communities. It's about making sure that, when we talk about affordable housing, as I said, it's not cheap housing, but affordability also takes other things into account. Accessibility to services, accessibility to public transport, accessibility to healthcare. All of those things are important factors in affordability as well.